CJE Restoration is a family-owned exterior remodeling business in Columbus, Ohio with a passion for providing superior service in roofing, siding, windows, gutters, exterior trim, and insulation. With decades of experience among our team, we believe in keeping our promises and delivering great work. Here are some of the comments that our clients have made. Natalie and Colum says, "We had a little problem with our roof leak and Mason dealt with the situation promptly and professionally, coming up with a viable solution. Good company to deal with." Chris Goodrich says, "Mason Sherman and his team were professional and did an excellent job repairing my roof. I highly recommend using them. Our commitment to our family is only matched by our commitment to yours. Give us a call to request a quote."